Hold on your back window. Thank you. How you doing, man? Y'all doing good? You got your license on you, man? Who's the registered owner of this car, man? You are? Okay. You got your ID on you, man? Y'all doing alright today? So the reason I pulled yours because your tag, okay? I can't see your tag 50 feet from the rear, which in the state of Georgia. Did you? Alright, I'll be right back. Let me check things out, okay? Hey, step out for me real quick. Just gonna be detained for now, okay? Alright, is there any marijuana in that car, man, or any other drug?
Nah, I was smoking a blunt, bro.
Okay. Bro, you're good. I got you. As long as you're honest with me, I'm honest with you, okay? So
I can't keep going through this, bro. Like I just can't, bro. I can't, bro. I don't do no wrong. I don't do shit, bro.
It's illegal to sit for it, okay?
Bro, I gotta go to y'all superiors and file charges.
Hey, Bob, I'll go in till we just leave.
Just a little more. Yeah, that's not. That's not. I don't know what's playing. Where it came from.
Riverdale Road,
It's every day. I can't even live. I moved to the country to fucking live, bro. And it's every day, bro. That thing is not expired, bro. There's nothing to stop me for. I'm going to the people, bro. I'm going to file charges on them, bro. I did 6 years on my back. I felt fuck. Oh, man. Give a fuck all them jail. I'm like that. I go in there and fight the police and spit on them bitches. Every fucking body. Cause I'm tired, bro. I'm ready to fucking roll me, nigga. Tired, bro. Fucking tired, bro.
Coming up on
whatever you want fucking do, we can do. That's how the fuck I feel. Cause I got real bond money. Fuck about this shit. Lock me up for whatever the fuck you want lock me up for. I'm tired, bro. I'm tired. Tired of being fucked with. I'm gonna spit on every fucking nurse in that bitch. I'm gonna make you charge me. I'm gonna show you how I get down when I get locked up. I'm gonna show you how I get down. I'm gonna make them bitches whoop me. They gonna get a charge. I'm gonna make them whoop me. When these cops come out, I'm gonna punch them in their shit. I'm going out like a gangster. You gonna have to knock my fucking teeth out, buddy. And you gonna get sued like a dog. I'm ready now. I'm all the way ready. Cause I'm gonna stick one of them bitches with that weed in their neck. I'm gonna show you I'm coming with that diabetic. Yeah, ignorant bitch, I'm gonna get ignorant with these bitches. I'm gonna show them how I get down and be off. Why? I'm gonna punch on the first white boy I see in that bitch. I swear I'm going on my daddy grave. Any nurse, I'm gonna spit on that bitch. I ain't playing, man. Watch how I shine in this bitch. Watch out. I bet I get along with you for Mason. I bet you. You fucking with a treasure, motherfucker. I'm ready now. I'm ready to go to jail. I'm ready to go viral. You can go and take me. You can go and ride me out. You can go and ride me out. I'm used to this shit. Where I'm from. Pull me up. I got 39 red. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I moved out here for fucking change. I'ma fight the first motherfucker I see in that bitch. Best believe I'ma tear y'all fucking jail up. We gonna tear that bitch up, okay? We gonna tear that bitch up. First nigga let us out handcuffed, that's who we attack. We gonna tear that bitch up. They gonna have to kill us in that bitch. I swear to God, cause I'm tired, bro. I work hard every fucking day. Every fucking day I'm getting pulled over every my people. I'm getting targeted, bro. You know bitches can't get pregnant from me. Yeah, I got a lot of hoes sucking dick in my house right now. Yeah. I got like 35 hoes sucking dick at my house right now. If anybody want their dick sucked, let me know. Pussy bitch. I'm ready to fight. I take off I could fight. I would throw them bitches within the office. All the nigga I do is take off their bag and they gun. And I'ma throw them bitches with you in the parking lot. I'm like that, man. I moved out here for training. I'm finna sell my shit. I got like $10,000 in there too. Shit. Don't fuck with it. I know exactly how much I got. Don't fuck with it. Put my shit on the seat. That's my borrowing money. Don't fuck with it. And I got receipts for it. I just left the bank. I got another cashier checking inside that door. There's a cashier checking inside that door also for a large amount of money. Please don't fuck with it. Tired, bro. There's 7 stops in 2 weeks.
I'm ready to fight.
And how can I live, bro? 7 stops in 2 weeks. How can I live, bro?
Alright. So here's the deal. Alright. I need you to relax, okay?
Ain't no relax though, bro. Y'all put us on for the...
Can you explain the ticket?
So what did you stop us for?
I stopped you for the tag.
What's wrong with the tag? It says 705.
Correct, but you can't see the letters 50 feet from the rear, which in the state of Georgia is state law.
What letters?
What letters?
You see the numbers.
You can't see that 50 feet from the rear. Alright? So, just listen. This is what we're gonna do.
That's a license plate.
Listen.
Just listen to it.
Alright. I'm gonna give you the citation for the marijuana. Alright?
For the smell of marijuana.
We found a little bit. Okay?
Crumbs on the floorboard.
There's some bags in there. There's 2 bags in there. Alright? I'm gonna give you a citation for the legibility. And that's it. Alright? I'm gonna let y'all be on about your business. Are we good?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna take the handcuffs off you. You're gonna sit in the car while I finish this paperwork, okay? Alright. I just need y'all to relax, man, okay?
I got you. Anytime you let me go, just let me go. I'm going to file charges right now.
I got you. Just have a seat and I'll grab back.